What is up, TNS family? It's your fave girl, Sera. Today, it is finally the day where we go out and we do our march. So, we have our boat already prepared. I'm already sweating, but these are our outfits. We're all in orange in support of our girl, Team Olivia, Miss Victoria. We're so excited because the boat looks amazing. For those of you that don't know, I've never attended a Tilwila. The misses that came for the Miss Samoa, they all go onto a march and they march from basically this side. I don't know how to explain it, like over the bridge back to the government house. So that's the march today. Okay guys, we're here at the march. It's the comp of the float. Okay fam, so as you can see by those beautiful ladies, they are from the Komiti Tinga Lalomonga. They were the ones that decorated this float. It was just so beautiful. It has all the past prime ministers on there, the side of the float. It was just well decorated and put together. Well done, Komiti Tinga Lalomonga.
I'll be taking over today. This is your girl, Sera. She's currently live at the moment. What's your name?
Johnson.
Where are you from? Ayusu. Miss.
Okay, well, these are the floats. It's a march.
We've got our sea of orange and all these banners. We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got like 5 banners.
Samoa, ia tautuana, o loto, fi mai lunga. Samoa, ia mua mua, lea tua, I mea uma. Samoa.
So I didn't actually get any footage of the announcement of who won the floats this day, and it was the float that Miss Samoa Victoria was on. So Komiti Tinga Lalumonga won that float competition.
Hello everybody, we just finished the float, the parade, our parade, and now we're just going to run some errands. It's very hot and sticky right now, but yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye!
What's up, TNS family? Okay, fam, today is the day. It is
the pageant day.
Period. Let's go.
Let's go, Via.
So today is the 10th of September. We have 8 contestants competing for the Miss Samoa title of 2022.
Don't forget, guys, to spam the comment section with orange and black hearts. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Is contestant number 5, Miss Samoa Victoria.
Congratulations, Via. We are so proud of you. Watching you during this whole journey, I have seen the love that you have for your people and for your country. So proud of you, and we cannot wait to see you serve your people back home here in Victoria. We love you so much, Via. Congratulations again.
Drum rolls, please. Your new Miss Samoa is contestant number 8, Miss Samoa Melbourne. Congratulations to our new Miss Samoa.